Well, hello there, and here today is the day of zeros and ones, and it's flying down from the sky. And guess what? It's computer programming, and this time it's going to be a very short one. Man, you have very lengthy words that are hard to pronounce or hard to catch up. Well, you'll find it here today, which I've made in Python. It's called the Acronym Maker. This shortens down words to simple things so that you can remember. So you can come along with me if you want some more, and there's more to it than ever. And you're on the right track if you wanted to make an acronym maker just like this. And it's easy to make. I could give you steps already. Now, as I'm following along this program is easy to make. So user input equals the string input and enter a phrase. So in this case, the step is to ask the user for input. So user input is stir input and then enter a phrase. Then the user input dot splits. That means splits the phrase that I've already said. That's the text. So split the user's text according to the number of words that's the user input. So the next thing you know, insert A as blank. That's what we're going to do next. Insert A as blank. Then this is where a for loop will be very useful. So for I in text, so A equals to A plus star index 0. So this is definitely giving 0 the upper. So that means this will give all the words to an acronym. So the program that majorly turns text into acronyms. So after it just prints it out like that. Very easy and simple. If you like to, I could show you in JavaScript and C++. So now I'm going to run this program very nice and smoothly. Then enter a phrase. Let's just say community of local, which is COL, which is perfectly done for me. So let's just say the states of Georgia. Let's just say the United States of America, and let's see what it'll say. If it's US OA, that's all right, as long as your line is I predicted it, so to bring out every word. Or if you can just say United States America, it will work. Yeah, it still works if you put it like this. Hello, folks. Hope you enjoyed today's program. It was very, very sweet. All you need to do is just do those basic steps, and then guess what? You've made your acronym maker, which can translate up to 10 words of a letter. Or you can say just 10 words and transform them into into just basically capital letters. So the first letter of each word will just be there. Just do it up to 10. All you need to do is to just enter it and then you're there. So if you'd like to hear more of what I do at home and everything, just subscribe down here in the chat. And I'll see you next time, and have a wonderful and good day of zeros and ones.